Hi, my name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to welcome you to MarineMax Houston. We're on board our 2019 Scout 380 LXF. I'm actually standing out here on the fold-out swim patio on the port side. We've got a couple drink holders on the underside of the flip-up gunnel piece here. Step on board. We've got a large live well here in the transom. Easy access for getting all your bait in and out. We do have a diesel generator on board located down here in the center of the boat. You can see the sea chest, which supplies water to all the systems, all the raw water systems on the boat as well. This boat does have a Seakeeper 6 on it too, and we're actually sitting out right now, and you can see the Seakeeper doing his job, moving back and forth. Which will give this boat right around a 90% roll reduction. We've kind of done a couple of custom things on this boat as well. We've blacked out the T-top frame, rocket launchers, all the rails going forward. Got to give it a little different look on this boat. This boat is powered by triple Mercury 350 Verados with the joystick control. Kind of work our way forward. We've got the 22-foot carbon fiber outriggers on board. Nice dash layout here, which we'll get to that here in just a second. Kind of work our way forward. We've got two fish boxes down here on the floor on the port and starboard side as well as the aft. We've got a nice place for keeping extra dock lines, brushes, gaffs, things like that. Kind of come up here. We've got a nice lounge area up here on the bow of the boat, which is set up for, you know, two people to kind of hang out really nice and comfortable. Got some extra storage underneath the front side of it. And then we also have a clip-on sunshade, so it'll cover this whole area. Give you some nice coverage, you know, getting out of the sun and really enjoying the day out on the water. We also have some stereo controls up here, extra rod holders, electric table, which this will raise up and down, so we can turn this into a sun pad or drop it all the way down to the floor. You know, a lot of really nice opportunities up here. Nice clean deck, easy access to the anchor, which you can control from the helm or the bow. See all the nice custom antennas, which we've blacked out the radar, the VHF antennas, really accompany the boat really nicely. We'll work our way back to the cabin here. Gonna step down inside. Got room for stand-up rod holders. Enough room for two people to sleep down below. This will fill in and make a nice berth. TV, DVD player forward. Nice galley aft, single burner stove, 12-volt refrigerator, microwave, all your controls on the main panel, things like that. Nice large enclosed head with shower. So you can really kind of clean up and freshen up on the days you head back in from a hard day of fishing or playing. And we'll work our way back to the dash here. But you do have a bow thruster on board this boat. We've got our Mercury SmartCraft controls here, the Lumishore white and blue lights, which is a couple different scenes on there. We do have an anchor camera up forward on this boat, so you can kind of watch the anchor coming up, or if you're pulling into a slip, makes it really nice and easy to see. Fish finder, engine controls. We can also pan over to this to our radar if we need to. Plus we can go back into charts, so we have all of our GPS. Also with the Helmmaster, you do have autopilot on board as well. Really nice, easy. Everything's right at your fingertips. So you've got our controls. This boat does have a sure shade retractable awning on it as well, which we can drop it off the back side. Now, you see our articulating rod holders. This will give you a real nice coverage, whether you're trolling, you know, spending a lot of time towards the back of the boat. It really makes the whole boat very functional, whether fishing, cruising, or just enjoying a great day out on the water or at the slip. Thanks again for taking a tour of our 2019 Scout 380 LXF located here in Houston.